Hey guys, it's Sheridan from the Panhandle-Plains Historical Museum, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a density tower at home. All you need is a glass jar or just a glass. You need honey, corn syrup, maple syrup, soap, water, vegetable oil, and rubbing alcohol. And we will attach a picture to it so you know the order of the density tower. You also need things of different sizes and weights. So I have a ping pong ball, a marble, a bead, and a paper clip. So I'm going to start off and pour my honey in first, and I'm going to use a spoon to get it out. And I may need to add more honey so you can see it when it... Let me add more honey so you can see it when we create the density tower. Okay. So then I'm going to do the corn syrup. And you have to be careful. Some of it, when you pour in, will mix, but it separates easily. So I'm going to put a little bit more. And you can see it's starting to separate. Next, maple syrup, and I'll probably have to add more to this as well so you can see the difference where it's separating. And it's mixing a little bit, but like I said, it will separate. Okay. There, you can see it's starting to separate. I'm actually going to go ahead and put more syrup in. There we go. Oops. Next, I will do soap. So I'm going to slowly pour this one in so it doesn't mix. And again, I'll add more so we can see the difference. And I just used regular Dawn dish soap. And I'm going to do these last few a lot slower so they do not mix. Doing a little bit more soap. Okay. Next is your water, and remember to pour in slow so it doesn't mix. And like I said, it will still separate when you have water. And then next will be the vegetable oil. So it's bubbling up a little bit, but that's okay. I'm going to pour just a little tiny bit more. Remember, pour slow. And then last but not least, rubbing alcohol. You can see it mixing just a little bit, just the water. That's why you want to pour in super slow. You can also use an eyedropper for this part too, for the last few. All right, I'm going to let it set for just a minute and then kind of separate. So you can kind of see it separating now. So we have the honey, the corn syrup, the maple syrup, the soap, water, vegetable oil, and alcohol. So when you try its density, you see how fast things fall through the tower. So we're going to try the marble first, and make sure you drop it pretty close, and it drops all the way to the bottom. Except for the honey, it's not going through the honey very well. Then you have a bead, and it's going to stop. I think it stopped in the corn syrup. And then I have a paper clip. See how far it goes. And it looks like it's slowly going to the bottom. Then, of course, the ping pong ball, but it's not going to go any further because it's lighter. So you go from most dense at the bottom to the least dense, and then drop your things in to see how fast or slow they go through all these pieces of the tower. And we would love to see your experiments. So send them in and have a great day, guys.